Welcome. In front of me is a TCL NxtPaper 7D Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So, to get started, you will want to grab a SIM eject tool. It should come provided with the device in the box, somewhere between the paperwork, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend one of the ends, and it should work just as well, as long as it doesn't have that plastic wrapping. If it does, you can always cut it off. I have something that looks a little bit more fancy. Yours probably looks more like a wire that is bent, but in any case, it should work just as well. Now, the tray is located at the bottom of the device, so if you're using the included case, take it off and just pop out the tray. As you can see, it's right here in the corner. Push the pin in, and you can see it pops out enough for you to just grab it and yoink it out. On the tray, you will have space for either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. So the SD card will go at the bottom tray, or you can plop a secondary card on the bottom tray. If you're planning to use dual SIM, you would place on the bottom tray your SIM card like this. There we go. But because I'm using one of each, I'm just gonna flip it over. Or sorry, I'm not even using one of each. I don't even have an SD card to plop in there, but you can clearly see where it goes, right? And the chip side, similar to this, will go to the outside as well. Anyway, from there, make sure that the card is clipped in correctly. It should not be falling out of it, neither the front nor the back one. And it should be laying completely flush on the tray. From there, insert it back into your device, and the card should start working, there we go, right away. So it's prompting me right away to confirm my SIM card PIN. Once I've done so, it will obviously unlock the card and connect to service. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.